The Dell Precision M3800 mobile workstation offers amazing mobility with true workstation performance. At 0.71 inches thick and as little as 4.5 pounds, it's one of the thinnest and lightest mobile workstations available. Designed for workstation-class applications such as Adobe Creative Cloud Suite, AutoCAD, Pro Tools, Maya, and more, the M3800 comes with a professional-grade NVIDIA Quadro K1100M discrete graphics card with 2 GB of dedicated video memory and ISV, or Independent Software Vendor Certification. To process complex projects, it offers a 4th-generation Intel Core i7 processor and up to 16 GB of memory. Crafted from lightweight aluminum and carbon fiber, the M3800 chassis offers excellent durability, plus a backlit keyboard, large 2-button gesture-enabled touchpad, and soft touch paint make it easy to use. Users can choose between a full HD display and a QHD Plus display featuring 3200 by 1800 pixels. Both display options are 5-finger touch-enabled and use Corning Gorilla Glass. Back in the office, simplify your setup and easily connect to accessories like Dell's award-winning UltraSharp monitors, keyboard, and mice with the optional Dell USB 3.0 Super Speed docking station. The M3800 provides a superb listening experience through both speakers and headphones with the Waves Max Audio Pro suite of audio enhancement tools. The M3800 can support up to 2 storage devices, one 2.5-inch drive, and a mini SATA solid-state drive. The Dell Precision M3800 mobile workstation provides the mobility, performance, and reliability to allow you to focus on being creative anytime, anywhere.